This is the result of a normal prompt, but this is the result of a perfect prompt. It's good, but this secret prompt trick is on another level. These two steps can improve your prompt 10x, but the third step gives you extra power, so don't miss it. A prompt can be used for anything, like creating an app, building a tool, making a website, or even writing a story. But here we will use a simple example so it's easy for everyone to understand. First, you need to understand what a bad prompt looks like. For example, give the ideas of gaming channel videos. Now, yes, we know what we want, but the AI doesn't know what inside our mind, so we need to explain it better. Here is a good prompt. Act as a professional YouTube strategist. Create 5 viral video ideas for gaming channel. Target beginner gamers. Include titles, hooks, and short content ideas. Make the ideas engaging and high quality. Provide the output in bullet point like Mr. Beast Gaming. See the difference. Second prompt is clear, detailed, and powerful. That's why it gives much better result. Now we go to the next step, the perfect prompt formula. Before writing any prompt, remember this formula: role, task, details, style, format, and example. Role: define who the AI should act as, the shape, expertise, and tone. Example: act as a professional YouTube strategist. Task: clearly state what you want the AI to do in a one focused instructions. Example: generate 5 viral YouTube video ideas for beginner in gaming niche. Details: add constraints like target audience, niche, platform, or specific element. Example: include clickable titles, strong hooks, and simple execution ideas. Style: explain how the response should feel, tone, quality, creativity levels. Example: make it highly engaging. Format: tell AI how to structure the output for easy use. Example: use bullet points with title plus hook idea in each point. Example: give a reference so AI understand your expectation level. Example: ideas similar to Mr. Beast gaming style. Now you understand how to create a perfect prompt, but what if you don't want to use your brain too much? Just follow the secret trick. Now here's the best hack, especially if you don't understand all these steps. Just go to ChatGPT and type your idea normally, then add this line at the end. Rewrite this into a professional AI prompt. Include all necessary details, structure, task, role, style, format, and example if possible. That's it. ChatGPT will automatically turn your simple idea into a perfect professional prompt. Then you just copy that prompt and use it again to get much better result. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to learn how to build AI tools using AI, click the video on your screen right now.